JPY, Japanese yen. JPY is the abbreviation for the Japanese yen, the currency of Japan. The yen is often represented with a symbol that looks like the capital letter Y with two horizontal dashes through the center, yen. The Japanese yen is the third most traded currency in the foreign exchange market after the US dollar and the euro. The yen figured in trades accounting for 16.8% of foreign currency trading turnover in a 2019 survey. Coins worth 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, and 500 yen are in circulation alongside 1,000 yen, 2,000 yen, 5,000 yen, and 10,000 yen banknotes. The Japanese count sums in multiples of 10,000 yen rather than 1,000 as in the West with US dollars or euros. The yen's name is a derivative of en, the Japanese term for circle, or round object that itself is derived from yuan, a Chinese term for imported silver coins. The Meiji government adopted the yen in 1871, replacing the metal coinage of the Tokugawa shogunate that preceded it as well as the patchwork of paper scrip issued by many of the country's feudal lords. The Japanese yen has long been considered a safe haven. The currency often appreciates in value during periods of risk aversion in financial markets. Low domestic interest rates in Japan amid deflation have encouraged the country's financial institutions and households to seek out higher yields overseas, known as the carry trade. Unless you're a savvy currency trader with a strong appetite for risk, it's probably best not to get involved with the yen at any time, especially during periods when it's under pressure. Nevertheless, pros and brave amateurs can trade the yen in the global forex marketplace, which permits a great deal of position leverage and tends to reward in-depth expertise. Divide the sum in Japanese yen by the yen's current exchange rate against the US dollar. As of August 4, 2022, the US dollar to Japanese yen exchange rate was 133.25. 10,000 yen was worth about $75.04 at that exchange rate. Some of the best places to buy Japanese yen are at a large branch of a national bank such as Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo. You can also buy foreign currency including JPY at airports, although exchange outlets there are likely to feature wider. Currency traders have been betting the Bank of Japan will keep its policy rate near zero despite rising inflation. The BOJ had acquired more than half of Japan's government bonds outstanding by June 2022 in an effort to cap long-term interest rates in order to promote growth. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. The Japanese yen is the world's third most traded currency, behind the US dollar and the euro. 2. The yen, usually a safe haven during times of market stress, dropped to 24-year lows against the dollar in mid-2022. 3. The yen's drop was fueled by the refusal of the Bank of Japan, BOJ, to follow other central banks in raising interest rates. 4. The BOJ has set a 2% inflation target for Japan following decades of economically damaging deflation. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.